It's been a joyous week. We've had robotics, we've had drones, we've had mentorship, we had college prep programs.
I want to be a software engineer. That's a big part of what motivated me to be a part of STEM Champs this year. This gives you a chance to see what the world outside of the US is, right? I only left the country once in my life, and that was nothing like Spain. Being here, I've already learned so much about the world, so much about Europe, which I've never seen before, and about a completely different culture. It's been an opportunity to practice my Spanish and think about what I want for my future.
It really did help me choose my career and my future, so it's much easier to plan out my future as well as looking for colleges. I really want to show more representation of us in, STEM, because I barely see anybody who's Mexican wearing STEM, and I really just want to feel little girls, feel less alone.
My favorite session for the STEAM Champs program was building the microbit robot. Building it was one thing, but not only do you get to build it and program the robot, but you have to use the microbit first, which is like a mini computer that you yourself program.
I really enjoyed myself this weekend. I love the agriculture, I love the friendships, and I love the culture that I got to experience overall. It was a success, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to grow the programs more, and this is what we're here for. STEAM Champs we're making is to bring the next STEAM champions in the future.